Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. Today I'm reviewing a bunch of products sent to me by Jowua. Jowua is my go-to for accessory for my Tesla, and if you haven't done so already, check out their website. They make some elegant minimalist accessory that blends right into the interior for your Tesla as well as the exterior. They are one of the most fantastic company out there for accessory for your Tesla. And today I'm reviewing some great new addition that Jowua is advertising and selling as of today. Also, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and take advantage of my exclusive offer with Jowua. Jowua has sponsored this video, and they are giving away a fantastic discount if you use the coupon code TechWorld. When you're checking out, you'll take advantage of some great discount. Also, I'll have a link to the website below in the description so you can take advantage of those discounts. So what am I reviewing today is actually I'm giving away these here. These are branded umbrellas from Jowua. So Jowua now on the website have these umbrellas available, and these umbrellas are sophisticated, elegant, and they have lots of functionality. Actually, with the Jowua winter mat, these umbrellas can store away right on the winter mat. Also, they are inverted umbrellas, so when you close them, they close the opposite direction so that the water doesn't drip a lot in your car. And they are anti-rebound umbrellas, so it's easy to open and close by using the spring functionality on the umbrellas. So let's take a look at it. It is very elegant. They have sent two colors. I have the black and the blue. So if you are subscribed to this channel, leave a comment. I'll be selecting a few of you Tesla owners and be shipping these out to you guys. Make sure you subscribe. So the first umbrella I'll review here is the blue umbrella. It's very nice. I opened it here a while back and I checked it out. It has the Jowua logo right there. This is the case that comes with it. As you pop this open, it is very light. That's the handle for the umbrella. It is spring loaded. You want to open this when you're outside, don't open this while you're in the car. But fairly heavy duty, lightweight, compact, elegant design, and it has these really strong arms so it doesn't break that easily. If you press this here, it pops right open and easy to close. Has the wrist strap, and just the material here is really high quality material. So this is the Jowua umbrella, and this is one of the ones I'm giving away. I also have the black. If you own a Tesla, you definitely want to get an umbrella so you don't get your interior wet from the rain. Let's put this away. We have a few more accessory that I'm reviewing. This, by the way, is my favorite accessory. I have a lot of these here. This is the LED light bar with motion sensor. This is a must-have if you own a Tesla. You can put this in all different spaces in your car, any dark hole, even the cup holder on the door rack. You can put this here. Basically what it is a USB micro USB rechargeable light. It has the elegant wood finish here. It has the motion sensor, and then that's the light bar. Sort of looks like a lightsaber. And what you can do once you put it on, it gives you this really simple but just minimalist light that you can use anywhere in your car. If you notice there's some darker areas and you want to bring the light out in those areas, it's a very warm light, and just easy to recharge, and always easy and handy to have in your car. Jowua does include the charging cable with this LED light bar. I have this here in my armrest. I also have one more available in my trunk, and like I said, these are really easy to place all the way around your car, trunk, wherever you find there's dark spots. Use this here. The other accessory that Jowua sent, and this is more for Tesla owners who have the Refresh Model 3 and Model Y. This is actually a combination of pieces. So the first piece here is the mini LED hub bar. So the way this works is, this is just a simple detachable hub bar. This is what it looks like, and this will go in your center console. and this actually has some LED lights at the back here, and this allows you to have access to USB A port and a USB C port right on the front of the center console. Now this piece actually goes with multiple pieces, so I'm gonna put this away and show you the setup of this here. Now I have the older Tesla Model Y 2020, and recently Tesla upgraded to the new 2021 refresh. So the new 2021 refresh does this does fit in that model, and it's a USB-C port. The other piece to the light bar is this piece here. These all go in your center console. So this is the second add-on to the light bar, and the way this works is this actually goes at the back where you have your USB-C port. This is like a hub at the back there, and then you have the USB-A port access, USB-C port. You have a power option there. Then this acts as a light, and then you have two extra USB-A port. Does have the Jouwa logo. It is getting powered from the USB-C port at the back of the where you have your sensory mode is, and these two USB-C port, they're actually 27 and 18 watt power, so that is more than enough to charge cell phone, whatever you use in the center console is more than enough to charge it. This will only work on the refresh. So we have this piece here for the refresh, and there's one more piece that I have here that makes complete sense to the setup here, and this is the center console tray. I'll put this away here. So the center console tray looks like this here, sorta similar to the armrest I reviewed earlier, but this is the center console tray. This fits right into the center console. It has this silicone texture here, so you can take this out and clean it. There's some grip here for whatever you're gonna put inside so it doesn't move around. They have some basic I guess hedges here to like stop things from moving around. But the beauty about this piece here is you have the cutout here, so you can see with that cutout it allows you to actually add this light bar. So this light bar sits behind the cutout, and that allows you to have access to those USB-C port. So this is what it would look like, and this goes directly into the USB-C port. This gives you access to the USB-C the power as well as the USB-A port, and it sits right there in the armrest. So that is the layout or the setup. It's nice to know that Jouwa did consider in making the accessory integrate with each pieces. So that's why you can find that all the pieces integrate really nice. And this piece out here actually goes like this here, and it gives you access to more USB-A and C port. So it's a complete setup for your center console. And this is if you have the newer Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, which has a refresh center console. The one that I have is a piano finish, which I like, but the Jouwa did not have the accessory yet for the center console for the older Tesla Model Y pre-refresh. So that is the complete setup for this year. I am giving away all these three pieces to a subscribe on the channel. So if you have done so already, subscribe, like, share, let me know if you are interested, and I'll be selecting a subscriber and sending this off to them. Also, if you aren't selected, take advantage of the coupon code. These three pieces by itself, there's a fantastic combo there to buy on Jouwa website, and you will get a great discount by using my coupon code. Not done yet. There's so much stuff the Jouwa sent. One of the stuff that I wanted to buy for myself is this here. There's a touch-up paint, and this touch-up paint is for the pearl white Tesla Model Y. You can buy this for all different colors of your car if it is a factory color. And the way this works is very simple. If you have any scratches, I drive the highway a lot, and you have any dings from the car, you actually have this touch-up paint here, pearl white. It's actually called a touch-up pen. You will actually first clean the area that has that scratch, and then you will be using this brush right here. You'll place the liquid or the pearl white stain on that area, and then you'll be smoothing it out with this brush right here. And the beauty about this brush, it has a sharp tip, so you can get into those cuts and hedges on the vehicle, so that way you don't have you can buff it out later on, which is pretty cool. Now I do have a actual not even a scratch, I do have an actual like area in my car that has some signs of scratches, so I'll be using this later on. Leave a comment below if you want to see me demonstrate this here, how to use it. I know everyone out there must be a scratch somehow. If you don't have PPF, this is a must. So take advantage of this here. It's only $15 from the Jowua website. Other piece, the last piece that I have, smallest piece, but I was very curious about this piece here. I saw it on the website. This is actually hooks. So these are hooks that you can actually hang bags in your car. These are beautiful metallic hooks. You can see the Jowua logo right there. It has these padding on the side to protect it from scratching or damaging the glove box. So these actually hook right into the glove box. Not sure exactly how much weight it can bear. These are stainless hooks. It doesn't say how much weight you can hang on it, but I would assume you won't want to hang too much weight on it, because you can easily damage the lock on the glove box. So there are two of these here in a package, and these basically just hang in the glove box. I'm gonna set that up right now so you can take a look at it and see what it looks like. But this is the final piece on Jowua. Inexpensive piece, but definitely adds a little bit different element to your car. And if you have like plastic bags, you have food, and you want to bring it into the front seat, you want to put it far away, this is a nice way to hang it, so that way it doesn't move around too much on the actual floor of your car. So these are the Jowua hooks. So that is it for the review today. Also, while doing this review, I'm also showing you the beautiful Jowua folding tray. I've reviewed this before, so if you want to take a look at that video, click on this video below and you can take a look at it. But it's the foldable tray and allows me to do these demonstration inside the car. Beautiful, has all the hooks, latches, rubber padding here to protect the surface, and just easy to set up, easy to store anything that you want to display on and use it as a computer workstation. Pretty fantastic, very impressed with this here and the quality. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please again subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. I always go through all the comments, and if I find some comments really nice, I will be replying to all the comments. But I'll be looking at the comments to find a subscriber to give away some of these accessories. Just let me know which car you're driving, so that way I'll be able to send the accessory that matches the vehicle that you have. Other than that, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.